Hello beautiful, we now have a distributor in France. Okay, if you want to get the Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, and the Secret White Strong Whitening Oil, it's now in France. Okay, we now have a distributor in France. If you are producing and the production is not working well for your client is not getting that whitening effect they want, and you've added so many things, guys, worry no more. Get the Secret White Strong Whitening Concentrate, the Secret White Strong Whitening Serum, and the Secret White Strong Whitening Oil. Put it inside your production, mix it, and you will see wonders. Your customers will come back. You cannot use this product on your skin directly. You have to mix it either with your lotion, your face cream, or anything. Is super strong. We need more distributor. Okay, if you want to get this, you are in France, okay, please contact Precious. Our number will be on the DM. Okay, we're shipping this item to her. You can see the way they package everything. We are the number one, the champion. Love you.